I'm a sculptor, I'm an art teacher, and I've been using resin for a long time now for various artworks and sculptures. This one is made of resin also, and I also use resin for a lot of other applications besides the sculpture that you see right now. Now I've discovered another possibility of other uses of resin, and this time it's the epoxy resin, which I've used before for some encapsulation artworks, laminated artworks, and this time it's an in thing. I've noticed people are using epoxy resin for river tables and other applications such as furnitures as well. So I had our garage here done by Majestic chemicals. So subukan nga natin tong bagong technology nila na ginagawa, itong application nilang ginagawa. It might not be a new technology, but then I'm sure they've already came up with a good formula of how to strengthen it and make it last longer. So let's give it a try. We gave it a shot, and we had our garage, just half of it, just to give it a try. 70 square meters done by Majestic Chemicals, and I was impressed by the team. They were very courteous, they're very nice, and chinaga nila yung preparasyon ng flooring. Like for 3 days, they've just been preparing the surface for the pouring of the epoxy resin on it, which I understand. Definitely, I'm aware with the process how you should painstakingly and patiently prepare a surface before pouring or coming up with a final coat to come up with the best results. So that's what they did. And I was happy to see the turnout, and I was able to speak with Mr. John Carbonell and Eliza Carbonell, that they were also thankful that we tried their product, and they backed it up with a 5-year warranty even. So let's see how, I mean, you wouldn't back up something for 5 years if you're not confident about the quality of your work. So that speaks a lot for themselves. So I would also recommend Majestic Chemicals to you guys who are watching this video, and I'm very happy with the results. That's one thing for sure. It looks 100 times better than the garage floor that we had before, and I would also understand how tough it's going to be. I know how tough it's going to be, and I know it's gonna last because these guys from Majestic did a great job prepping our floor. So please do check them out also. So they are Majestic Chemicals. Thank you Majestic. Well, mapapa-Majestic ka sa ganda.